βγαίνουν στη τύχη. Δεν θα υπάρχουν πόρτες κλειστές με γερμένους απ' έξω.
On a grimpé des murs, découpé des grillages, les mains cisaillées. Tapis dans la grisaille, l'impatience du jeune enfoyé. Trouver la brèche, la faille, souffler le verre, la paille. Comme un insecte qui s'engouffre entre poussière et ferraille. Loin dans la nuit brille les barreaux de cette grille qui renferment les secrets d'une vie passée. L'institution dépassée, le fantôme de l'opéra nous file sur nos gardes, car la pellicule ne se finit pas sur le générique du film. Les serrures qu'on crochette, au futur qu'on projette, sur les murs en brochette, officier bien trop net. Les traces aux pommettes passent comme des comètes, sans strass ni paillettes, je peux te le promettre. Et les villes s'endorment seules dans le périmètre, croisées des fantômes à chaque décimètre. Ni oubli ni pardon, ni vieux ni net, ni mari ni patron, ni Dieu ni maître. Par le ciel ou sous la terre, par dizaines ou solitaires, nos seigneurs et grande échelle, bien planqués dans les tunnels. Dans la folie des grandeurs, avocat en profondeur, viens détourner, pirater ton esprit le décodeur. Par le ciel ou sous la terre, par dizaines ou solitaires, nos seigneurs et grande échelle, bien planqués dans les tunnels. Dans la folie des grandeurs, avocat en profondeur, viens détourner, pirater ton esprit le décodeur.
Δρόμοι και δρόμοι, χακαρισμένοι νόμοι, όλες κι όλοι θα μπλεχτούνε τα σενάρια στους θεάτρου την πόλη. Θεατές θα αφήσουν τις καρέκλες τους κενές, γιατί η παράσταση αρχίζει έξω από τις αίθουσες. Κινήσεις θεατρικές, προβαρισμένες από χθες, θα παραβέσουν στους δρόμους έξω από τις φυλακές. Το σύστημα ένα πρόγραμμα, το πρόγραμμα ένα σύστημα σε λούπα. Η πόλη αυτή χακάρεται, δεν σου πάει από τον δρόμο. Είναι χτύπημα, φωνή, μουσική. Παράβαση στην κοινή λογική, στη ζωή που έχει προγραμματιστεί. Γιατί το θέατρο του παραλόγου θα πέσει σαν τη σιωπή. Η πόλη έχει χακάριστεί.
De derrière les gargouilles, on surveille les patrouilles. Y'a pas d'acte de bravoure au milieu des basses-cours. Derrière chaque tour, ça démarre au carrefour. Et les carrefours se transforment en parcours. La méthode, falsification, usurpation d'identité, planification du sabotage et commenté. On va péter les codes et tous les protocoles. Avec les potes, on a défoncé des pas, fallait repenser le décor. Par le ciel ou sous la terre, par dizaines ou solitaires, nos seigneurs et grands échelles, bien bloqués dans les tunnels. Sans la folie des grandeurs, un avocat en profondeur, viens détourner, déraper ton esprit le décodeur. Par le ciel ou sous la terre, par dizaines ou solitaires, nos seigneurs et grands échelles, bien bloqués dans les tunnels. Sans la folie des grandeurs, un avocat en profondeur, viens détourner, déraper ton esprit le décodeur. Par le ciel ou sous la terre, par dizaines ou solitaires, nos seigneurs et grands échelles, bien bloqués dans les tunnels. Sans la folie des grandeurs, un avocat en profondeur, viens détourner, déraper ton esprit le décodeur. Par le ciel ou sous la terre, par dizaines ou solitaires, nos seigneurs et grands échelles, bien bloqués dans les tunnels. Sans la folie des grandeurs, un avocat en profondeur, viens détourner, déraper ton esprit le décodeur.
Hello everybody, we just listened the song City Hackers from Krav Boca with Ion, and today we are here with one member of Krav Boca and I want to make him some questions. Hello Paul.
Hello.
So, who are you and why did you choose this form of music and action?
Hello, nice to meet you. We are Krav Boca. A band Middle Greek and Middle France. We are living in France, in the city of Toulouse, south of France. And we decided to make music with some friends. We are 9 people in the band. Our style is between punk and rap music. And we decided to play in a lot of DIY places, alternative places, and to support some causes very early in the story of the band. And yes, to live some adventures and sharing something with people. They have utopia, a lot of something to say, to fight. And finally we created the band in 2014, and we're still active, and we make a lot of gigs all around Europe.
Okay, so why did you create Krav Boca actually, and what does the name mean?
We chose this name Krav Boca. We because we wanted to have something strongly in the sonority, something a little bit, strong. And we had the idea all together to name it with a name of fighting sports. Mm-hmm. And we loved the name Krav Maga, and we put Boca at the place of Maga because we make rap music. We use words to say something strong, and it was Boca is a mouth in Spanish. And this is for it we choose it, and we choose this form of political action because very early in the story of the band, we came in Greece to make a tour. It was 1 year after the creation of the band in 2015. Mm-hmm. And all that we live in this country, because the alternative music, all the DIY music is very, very strong. It gave us a lot of inspiration, and finally the band is born as at this moment, because we saw a lot of crazy things with very involved people, out of business totally, and very motivated with a lot of people involved inside. It was a big inspiration for us, and we decided to continue in this way to defend the DIY.
Mm-hmm. So you said a lot of things about political position, but I want to ask you, what is your political position in your music? So, because I heard a lot of things about DIY, that you want to support struggles all over Europe. I don't know world, because Morocco is also not Europe. So what is your political position in your music?
We are clearly anti-fascist, anti-sexist, anti-homophobic, and we are fighting against this for sure. But we want to promote the DIY in the same time, because DIY for us is politic too. It's very politic. It's a decision to make something by yourself, and that's the states, the powers, they don't want that we make. And the place where we are playing, it's very important in the same time, because we are playing for festivals or for particular events who support, who helps refugees, or sometimes we are playing to give money for people in jail for political reasons. Mm-hmm. It's very important, and for us it's cool to say something in our songs, but it's more nice to make something concrete in our acts, and this is why playing, to be on tour all the time, is the most important thing. It's not just to make albums or CDs. This is more than that.
Okay, so let's hear now one song from you, so to travel in a way also to Morocco with Al Nasser. The song is Carte Postale.
Pour cette histoire, la médaille et son revers comme une peinture blanche sur les gravats du désert. Tous les jours inondés par la pub, par la thune des lobbies. Ils nous mentent, on nous vend l'industrie du cancer à bas prix. Comme quoi ils nous pensent dociles. Propagande d'État, je te parle vendetta. Bâtard corrompu à tous les étages. Touristes à la plage, humanistes en cage. Patrimoine en sol, c'est le grand pillage. Ils tiennent par la police et l'armée. Je ne vois que des milices privées. Partout sur le globe, c'est le même schéma. On a lié nos luttes, fondé nos médias. La carte postale, le foie glacial, la haine raciale, les contrôles faciales et le bédard rafale, la projection radiale. Fiché coulé
année c'est la bataille navale. Ils répriment les manifs, les médias sont fascistes. C'est dans l'assemblée qu'on trouve les terroristes. Des murs massifs pour nos pains de plastique. Et la conflit vient pas de chez l'herboriste. Regarde à vue, tu connais la notice. On s'entretue aidé par la police. Leur livre d'histoire c'est l'Allemagne et Clovis. Pas une seule page sur le colonialisme. Au chant du signe ça sera nous les choristes. De tous leurs insignes de leur capitalisme. Demande pas si ça va, tu sais que ça va pas. Demande pas si ça va, tu sais que j'y crois pas.
فامبير ولاد الحاب راسو كبير شغل كبير جمال طويل قص طاق الخماش تشوف حرير متشوهنيش متسولنيش واش صافا صافا
Et dans ton crâne,
lava
et qu'est-ce que tu crois toi les nerfs craquent à quand tu craches.
nada
J'ai tout le feu à la carte postale. La frustration est une arme létale.
جربوا دار طلمار هنا واصلة العظم صافا صافا
Dans tes entrailles,
lava
et qu'est-ce que tu crois toi le nerf craque à quand tu craches.
nada
J'ai foutu le feu à la carte postale. La frustration est une arme létale.
جربوا دار طلمار هنا واصلة العظم نقول لك اش كيبان توين مال شمس خضورة اجي نحلو البيبان طلمار جيب شي دورة بلا بنقضي اللي كان لعب الدور كنطلعو المورال 80,000 جيران الجمهور مع المحنة كورة بلا ما تحتاج اوراك نيش ورا البحر كلشي غيجري موراك شدنا شي بوراق دوغا شعب نصهم سطي بوراق مزرينا بشي صورات باقي في الحياة خوك ديجا فوق الصراط بيعو القاصرات هاني احنا نخرجو الحركة الحراك فيما مشيتي بنادم فيه جودة وكاليكولا فيما مشيتي راس المال هز الطراب وضالي الدولة هادو قدرو يدفنونا لا حسو بدي ناصتي في خاطر العكر فوق الخنونة هاد علاش ناصتي ناصر بلاصة ما جنة دماغنا مبهدلنا شكتسنا لافا تدفنا بصافا تهنا تغفلنا سكتونا بالدين تيم طرخا بسيم رجلي الفوق سلت بسير جيب سين جيم الزمن فوق في مطرتي فامبير ولاد الحاب راسو كبير شخدير جمال طويل قص طرق الخماش تشوف حرير متشوهنيش متسولنيش واش صافا صافا
Et dans ton crâne,
lava
et qu'est-ce que tu crois toi les nerfs craquent à quand tu craches.
nada
J'ai foutu le feu à la carte postale. La frustration est une arme létale.
جربوا دار طلمار هنا واصلة العظم صافا صافا
Dans tes entrailles,
lava
et qu'est-ce que tu crois toi le nerf craque à quand tu craches.
nada
J'ai foutu le feu à la carte postale. La frustration est une arme létale.
جربوا دار طلمار هنا واصلة العظم
It was the song Carte Postale from Krav Boca with Al Nasser. And now, Paul, I want to ask you about the movie. You're gonna make a movie. So how did you get the idea and what do you want to express through it?
Yes, you're right. Because since the beginning of the band, we had the ambition to speak, to show that DIY is possible for a lot of people. We didn't want to just speak for people who are coming in squads. We wanted to enlarge the audience, because a lot of people think that it's impossible to make all these things without a manager, without a structure, without money. And we had the idea since a lot of time to show that all of this is possible if you are motivated and involved in what you want to make. And finally we had the chance to meet two film directors 1 year and a half ago, and one of them came with us on tour during 1 year, and he took a lot of videos of us. And it's not a film about the band Krav Boca. It's not about the story or about the band. It's more about all the meeting we made, about the atmosphere we live on tour, about all the adventures we live. And we plan to release it, we hope, in 2021. And for the moment, we finish it, and we will say after for the diffusion. We will communicate about this, but for the moment, we continue to finish it actually. But yes, probably the next year we will release it.
We are really looking forward to see this movie and to see how you imagine to make that. And okay, so I have another question, and this is about Canet. What was the inspiration to write this song?
As I told you, Greece is very special for us because we are not just French. We have some of our lyrics in Greek, and since the beginning of the band, we are coming in Greece to make a concert. And that was in 2015. As I told you, we came for the first time in Greece, and we arrived in Agrinio, the city of Agrinio. This is funny because this is our first meet with Greek people finally. And this is the city where we have a lot of friends, of good friends, and it was very shocked. We were shocked at the beginning because at the end of the concert, people throw their cans of beer, empty cans beer, on us. And for us, you were empty.
Okay,
yes.
you were lucky.
Yeah.
You were lucky.
Yeah. And in France, we don't know it. In Europe, we don't have it. It's very normally it's not positive. For this, we were shocked. And finally, after Michos, one of the singers, the Greek singer of the band, was very happy to have all these cans on his face. And after he explained us that in the punk middle in Greece, this is a sign people pass a good time, drink beer, and they just want to show you that they like it, And for us, it was totally crazy. And we decided to make this song Canet, and the chorus is exactly like this: is Petamuti Birasu, Petati Samolotov. And now, even in all other countries, in Germany, in Italy, in Spain, people understood this sort of tradition, and they make exactly the same.
Okay.
And it's the sort of competition now between the cities. What's the most crazy city with a lot of empty cans on the stage, And this is very funny.
Cool. So let's hear the song, Caneta.
1, 2, 3, 4 Mettre l'uniforme et qu'il fasse des efforts. On ne quittera pas la rue en sommation dans la réforme. On nous traite de voyous quand on devient violent. Bien longtemps que le débat public s'est fait violer. Vas-y, pars dans les médias, plus personne te croit. Ne t'étonne pas d'une sédition dans les médias. J'ai mon ouvre-bouteille, j'ai une tête de bière. J'ai fini mon falafel mais il me reste la colère. J'entends les cris de charge, je sens l'odeur de gaz. Je regarde comme ils nous marquent pour nous jeter dans les cages. Je te pousse des cris de barre, je te fais tomber le rage. Je prépare en sabotage, il faut tuer mes religions. Pète à multiplication,
It was Canet from Krav Boca or Πέτα μου την πείρα σου. And Paul, I wanted to ask you, why do you have so much featurings in your album?
And because we are all the time in the year on tour in a lot of countries, and we meet a lot of artists, and sometimes we are very fanatic of the music of some of them, you know, and we decide to make tracks with them. It's very natural for us because we can make some things with the guests that we didn't make if we would be alone, you know. Mm-hmm. And sometimes we have some different styles and we adapt something. We have our own style, but we can make something more rich with some guests, and I think it gives more colors on our albums, and it's very good experience generally.
And how was the interaction, and what kind of experiences you lived with the other musicians?
As I told you, we see a lot of artists all the year, but it will be impossible for sure to make tracks with all the people who love the music. But we wanted to have more special interactions, and sometimes we became really friends with the people we meet with the music. And for us, it's very important with the lyrics too. It's not just music. It's all the state of mind with it, and it arrives that we keep contact, and even we don't have project to make song together. We see the people some years after just to pass time with us, or we invite them in Toulouse, or they invite us after in their town. And yes, it's we make music for that too.
Mm-hmm. So let's hear the song Crash Riot. It's also a featuring with my own voice and Matrak Attack.
Yes, and the band Matrak Attack is from Liège, Belgium.
Okay.
And the singer is from Italy. The lyrics are in Italian. And the second band, My Own Voice, is from Milano. He's singing too in Italy. Mm-hmm. And yes, they are a very close friend of us. We love this song for these two. Mm-hmm. And as I told you, they are in other style, you know. My Own Voice is more hardcore metal. Mm-hmm. And yes, Matrak Attack is more grindcore crust.
Okay.
And yes, this song is very interesting for these two.
Okay, let's hear it.
I'm Ziomy, to nie będę specjali. Geografische haragmatjes, raporty jeździ mechry Milano. Jewtachno tokszo musiko, to faccio to miano, nasze dostażo. Miano i tigrami, raporty jeździ mechry Milano. Jewtachno tokszo musiko, groteska jeździa nasza stamaso.
Le rivolte nel mondo sono scoppiate. È giusta l'ora che voi la paghiate. Combatto il fascismo giorno dopo giorno. Ogni continente è un suo punto di ritorno.
It was Crash Riot with my own voice and Matrak Attack of the song of Krav Boka. And now, Paul, I want to ask you about your next plans for the future.
We want to continue to make better video clips again, because we don't talk about this, but it's very important for us to make a video clip. It's a big part of creation for us. We will continue to make tours, to be more ambitious in our tours, to make more countries, meet more and more people, and make true friendships with people. And yes, we want to continue to make all of this, because it's, for us, it's one way possible to keep the band alive, you know, because we are nine people, sometimes 8 or 9 people in the band, and it's very important to be active, to keep all the energy focused in the same time. Because 8 people in the road in full DIY, it's not so easy sometimes.
And how can the people contact you for collaboration or in general?
It's very easy. We choose at the beginning to be on a social network, because as I told you, we want to touch the biggest number of people as possible. It's important for us to be visible. It's not so difficult to find us, you know. We are everywhere on the web. You just have to put Krav Boka. We have a website. You can contact us as you want. It will be a pleasure.
Mm-hmm. So the website, YouTube also, Instagram.
Yes.
Krav Boka, the same name.
Yes.
Okay, and Bandcamp maybe?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So, Paul, it was a pleasure and an honor to discuss with you. Thanks for the answers. We're really happy to have an interview with Krav Boka in our network, in Flamen Network.
Yes, thank you, Sarah. Thank you, in Flamen. I hope you will pass a good time hearing this podcast.
So, at the end, we will listen the song Kamtal from Krav Boka. Thanks for hearing us and have a nice time.
Pour les Touaregs, les pirates du bitume.
Ouais. Ok. Encore 12 heures compressées à 17 dans la cabine. À l'avant fume la résine, à l'arrière pique au chopine. Dédicace à mes tarés qui siphonnent à l'usine. Fais ce qu'il a douane volante. Au péage ultra violent. La conduite est succulente. Pas en bordant et d'urgence. Le nombre d'années à user le pavé. L'embrayage est cramé, le CD est passé. Nouveau Tetris à chaque fois pour charger. En grosse équipe qu'on va déplacer. C'est pour les pirates, les faux rouges. Le péage roule au rouge. Au départ on déboule. Le captain c'est Soyouz.
Direction précaire, pour l'itinéraire c'est tout droit en enfer. Mais trafic combi chargé, vaisseau pirate grillé, filtre à air colmaté, passagers tout foncé. Trop tard pour le spontex, monté de presse dans les cortex. Comme à la douane de Bardonex, accélère, décélère. Peur dans la glissière, ouzo dans la glacière. Siratan, Vigo, Berlin, Aguino.
Y'a pas d'axe foncière, que des saisies douanières. On traverse les frontières, peu importe les barrières. Devant l'asphalte de ce plan de carrière, tout le monde a sa place, qui monte à l'arrière. Pour les pirates, les faux rouges.